Hi everyone, I'm back with this beautiful crochet hoops tutorial. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon for future updates. So let's get started. So today we're going to make this beautiful crochet hoop earrings. I have added pearls with this. I call this confetti, I guess. Uh, for this tutorial, you will need some yarn. I used cotton and acrylic yarn. You can use any yarn you want or you have. Like I used cotton and acrylic. You can use either one of them. This is golden hoop, about 5 centimeter, and some pearls, 6 pearls I have used in this in one hoop, and crochet hook 2.7 mm, and a yarn needle and a pair of scissors. Okay, now we will start with like a magic ring, but I didn't make it like a magic ring. Insert your hook beneath one side and pull a loop and twist, and pull a loop again, and one more time. Okay, and one more time. Now we have our first chain. Okay, now pull this side and we are decreasing this ring. See, now we will make 7 chain in this ring. Leave this tail and work inside the ring like this. We have 2 chain now, and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Now close this ring. See, our confetti is almost complete. Let me just adjust my light. See, our confetti is almost complete. Now just check one time that our confetti is not too big or loose or short. Sorry. See, it is perfect. Now cut the yarn and pull through this yarn. Now grab your yarn needle and insert it into the next root of this chain like that, and insert in the back of this chain. Now this is our chain complete. Now just weave this tail and other tail, and our confetti is complete. We will make every confetti like this. This is very easy tutorial. I am weaving it so that it will hide. Just be careful and slowly. Now make a knot. Now both ends are secured and it is easy to cut the yarn. So I will cut this end now. This is wrong side of confetti, but both side looks pretty, so it doesn't matter which side is right and which side is wrong. I have added wrong side outward, facing outward, because this side looks more puffier than the right side. We will do it same with this tail and weave it around this ring like we did it for the first tail. It is done, and this is the right side of confetti. I have made more confettis already, and I made 2 confetti of each color. You can improvise it as you want, as you like. You want 3 colors, 3 confetti of each color, or 4 confetti, whatever you like. I am giving you the idea that how big this pearl is, because there was no label on the packet. It is about ½ inch, you can see. So you can guess the size of this pearl. You can use any size of pearl as you like. I am using this pearl. Now we will add them together. You can make any color combination. This is a customized order, so I am making I am using these colors, but you can make any color combination you like. I like 3 color combination personally: pink, yellow, and this teal blue. It is looking like royal blue, but it is more like teal blue. See, I like this color combination very much, but it is a customized order, so I am adding red and green also. If you want to skip pearls, you can skip them. I have added pearls because I love pearls, but if you don't like pearls, you can improvise it by your choice. But I love this confetti and pearl combination, and this is the design I have created for these hoops. I love this design and I hope you will too. And if you do, and if you follow along and make any for yourself, so please share on my Instagram account and tag me. I would love to see your creations. I hope that you will enjoy this video and make some beautiful earrings for yourself. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.